Welcome to Adventure Days.
Welcome back to Adventure Days, guys. I'm here today with Angelo. And we are doing a lava lamp challenge, and we need how many things to do this challenge, Angelo?
You need 5 things. Glass, oil, water, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer.
Okay, guys, so exactly what Angelo said. A glass, oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. And what color are we choosing to do ours? Green.
It looks like slime.
Looks like slime. So here we go. Okay, go ahead, do that oil.
That looks like enough.
Okay, a little bit more actually.
Okay.
There you go. So we got our oil, and next is the
Water.
water. Let's do it. You want to make sure you have more oil than water. Looking good. And next we got
Food coloring.
food coloring. Let's do it. We're going to do about 10 to 15 drops.
I do 15.
Do it to your liking, however light or dark you want your lava to glow.
One more. 15.
Okay, we did 15 drops. You could do maybe about 10 to 15, a little more or a little less, depending how light or dark you want your lava lamp to look. Okay, and the last step, guys, what is it?
Alka-Seltzer.
And we're gonna drop that guy in there nice and easy and gentle.
What? Oh, dang.
Oh my gosh. It's working, guys. Look at this lava lamp. You guys can do this at home with your grown-up. Make sure you get permission and have all the things that you need. It's very fun to watch, a cool project.
This is hole.
Just like Hulk. Leo likes it because it's green. And you can have some fun with it. Pick some fun colors, even mix your colors if you want.
Look at those big old bubbles.
What do you think, Angelo?
Very cool.
Very cool.
Go.
So what did we do today, guys?
We made a lava lamp.
What an adventure!